Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error with the error code 0xc1900223 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down, select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution will be to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. You need to copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock. And finally, it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.